Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will see what to do if your Samsung device is making a clicking noise or a tapping noise when you touch the app icons on the screen. For that one, go to settings, go to this option sounds and vibration, go to system sounds and vibration, and if you see there is an option touch sound. If you enable this option, then what happens, it will play sound when you touch certain items on the screen. So as soon as I enable this option and if I touch the application icons, it will make a clicking noise. Now if you want to remove that one, what you do, settings, sounds and vibration, go to system sounds and vibration and disable this option touch sound. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.